Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Let me ask you something. Ilang beses ka na bang nag-try ng mga diet, detox drink, or mga slimming tea pero walang nangyayari? Yung tipong you're trying your best pero bloated ka pa din? Well, I've got something na pwedeng mag-change ng yung wellness gain. Ito ang C9 dietary supplement na sobrang trending ngayon. It is made with chia powder, chili pepper powder, meron din tong cactus extract, cranberry extract, chitosan, and corn fiber. So sa video na to ay pag-uusapan natin how it works, the science behind this product, the real result, mga pros and cons, and kung para sa'yo ba talaga tong product na to. Alam nyo ba guys, in today's world, halos lahat ng kinakain natin ay processed, oily, and full of preservatives. And most of us ay nakaupo lang madalas sa kanilang work, mapa-school or mapabahay. Yung tipong kulang tayo sa galaw-galaw or minsan hindi na talaga tayo kumikilos. And all of this will lead to slow metabolism, toxin build-up, and fat storage. Kaya naman kahit normal kang kumain, you still feel heavy, bloated, and sluggish. Kaya naman, that's where C9 capsule comes in. Isa siyang Thai-made wellness supplement na nakakatulong sa ating katawan na mag-burn ng fat naturally, mag-flush out ng toxins, mag-boost ng metabolism, ma-reduce ang cravings, and ma-support ang overall digestive health. So basically guys, it gives your body a little push para gumana ulit ang natural fat burning system mo. So ano nga ba guys ang C9 dietary supplement na to? So this supplement is made in Thailand, formulated with 6 powerful ingredients designed to support weight management and detoxification. So hindi siya kagaya ng mga harsh slimming tea or chemical-based diet pills. C9 works gently and naturally with your body. So each capsule guys ng product na to combines nature's best ingredients para sa fat burning and detoxification. So ang unang ingredients niya ay ang chia powder. Ang chia ay rich in fiber and omega-3 fatty acid. Kapag ang chia ay na-mix sa water, nag-e-expand siya sa stomach mo. Kaya naman, lagi mong pakiramdam ay busog ka. Kaya ang benefits nito ay nakakapag-control siya ng appetite, improves digestion, balances blood sugar, and keep you hydrated. Plus guys, yung chia ay nakakatulong para ma-detoxify yung mga intestine natin naturally. Kaya naman, goodbye tummy bloating. Then, meron din siyang chili pepper powder. It contains capsaicin, a compound proven to increase metabolic rate. Meaning your body burns calories faster even while resting. So, ang benefits nito ay nakaka-boost ng fat burning, nakaka-improve ng blood circulation, and it adds natural warmth o yung tinatawag na thermogenic effect. So, kung napapansin mo na medyo mainit sa katawan after taking it, that's the capsaicin working. It's literally helping you burn your fats. Pangatlo naman ay meron siyang cactus extract. It is rich in fiber and antioxidant that helps your liver metabolize fat more efficiently. Pag-usapan naman natin guys yung mga benefits niya. Ang unang benefits niya ay ang appetite control. Meron siyang fat blocking, liver detox support, and hydration. Ang pang-apat naman ay ang cranberry extract. It is known for detoxifying and cleansing effect. Ang mga benefits naman nito ay nakaka-reduce ng bloating and water retention. It detoxifies the urinary system and it provides antioxidant for skin health. Ang panglima naman ay ang chitosan, which is the most effective fat-binding ingredient. Ang benefits nito ay it reduces fat storage, it helps regulate cholesterol, and promotes smoother digestion. Parang magnet siya for fats. Ang pang-anim naman ay ang corn fiber. It acts as prebiotics, meaning it feeds your good gut bacteria, helping you digest food efficiently and maintain a healthy gut environment. So, ang mga benefits niya ay it supports digestion, keeps metabolism active, prevent constipation, and help manage weight long-term. So, imagine guys, all 6 working together. So, hindi lang siya slimming supplement. It's a total body cleansing and wellness formula. So, pag-usapan naman natin how it works inside the body. Kapag ininom mo tong C9 supplement na to before meal, Yung chia and corn fiber starts absorbing water. Kaya naman, feeling mo ay busog ka. Pagkatapos, yung chili pepper naman, it will activate your metabolism. And yung cactus and chitosan, it works together to block and flush fats. While yung cranberry ingredient sa supplement na to, cleanses toxins and water retention. So ngayon naman guys, ay pag-usapan natin ang real-life result ng produkto na to. So here's what you can expect. Sa unang linggo, you will feel less bloated. Your digestion becomes smoother. Sa pangalawa hanggang pangatlong linggo naman, your cravings start to lessen and you will feel more energetic. Sa week 4 naman onwards, noticeable na ang waistline reduction. You will have a lighter feeling and glowing skin. So ngayon naman guys ay pag-usapan natin ang pros and cons. Ang pros niya ay meron siyang natural plant-based formula. It promotes healthy weight management. It also improves metabolism and digestion. And also, it detoxifies naturally. Walang harsh effect. At higit sa lahat, it boosts energy levels. Ang cons naman niya ay dapat consistent ka sa paggamit dahil hindi agad-agad ang resulta nito. Makakaramdam ka din ng warm sensation dahil sa chili pepper extract. Pero normal lang yon. Hindi rin siya pwede sa may mga allergy sa mga shellfish dahil meron itong sangkap na chitosan. So paano nga ba inumin ito guys safely? You just need to follow yung direction niya sa box. Ang recommended nito guys ay 1 capsule daily before meal with a full glass of water. So para mas best yung result mo ay uminom ka ng mas marami pang tubig. Mga 2 to 3 liters per day. Kumain ka din ng balanced meal, get enough sleep, stay active kahit 20 minutes walk daily. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga next reviews ko. Always remember guys, your body deserves love and care. So stay consistent, stay radiant, and stay confident. See you on my next video. To God be the glory.